Good afternoon, students. In the last lecture, we have understand all the concepts regarding the topicity, that is enantiotopic ligand, stereotopic ligands, enantiotopic phases, diastereotopic phases. All the detailed notes are also there. If you need the notes, if you don't have the notes, please convey me the message. I will send the notes to you on the groups. So the next point of this topic is the substitution reactions. The substitution reactions, that is the SNI substitution reaction. In that, first is the SNI, nucleophilic substitution reaction, internal substitution reactions. In that reactions, most important part is that the oxygen OH groups of the alcohol is replaced by the Cl, but for the removals, the internal structure is initiated. So when the alcohol is treated with the thionyl chloride, the hydroxyl group is replaced by the chlorine atoms, and there is no change in the configuration of the molecule, means there is the retention of the configurations. As an example is there the reaction of the alcohols where OH is the good leaving groups. Firstly, OH is reacted with the SOCl2 and convert into the OH into the good leaving groups, that is OSOCl, then removed by attacking the Cl groups on the OH, and they form the. These types of reaction is a substitution reaction, but it is an internal substitution reaction because the internal part of the chlorines of the same molecules react and involve in the no external nucleophiles come from the others. Internal agent act as a nucleophile, that is why it is called as substitution reaction, that is SNI reactions.
This reaction is the retention of the configuration. That is, if we subject a particular compound which is chiral in this SNI reaction, then after the reaction is complete, the configuration of the product molecule is retained. If we compare the stereochemical codes of different substitution reactions like SN1, SN2 and SNI, then this tabular form will help you to compare the different stereochemical outcomes of different nucleophilic substitution reactions. So SN1 reaction, as we know, always gives racemization. However, in reality, it is not the racemization, and the reason behind it I have discussed in my previous video. And in case of SN2, inversion always take place, and in case of SNI, retention is observed, and this is why this SNI reaction is of much interest. So today we will discuss this SNI reaction mechanism with a typical example, which is the substitution of the OH functional group, version of the substitution of this OH functional group with a chloride functional group via the treatment of thionyl chloride. And if we consider the this OH group, is basically replaced by the Cl group, and in the next step this intermediate undergoes a degradation reaction. The first step will be the formation of chlorosulfite via the nucleophilic attack of this oxygen center of this alcohol molecule to the sulfur center of thionyl chloride, and then one Cl minus will leave from this system to produce the chlorosulfite intermediate. This intermediate is actually isolable from the reaction mixture if mild reaction conditions are applied during the reaction, and then in the next step this intermediate undergoes a degradation where this carbon oxygen bond basically broken, and this results in the formation of this carbocationic intermediate and this negative counter anion of this carbocation. In the next step, this species actually undergoes a fragmentation where this Cl minus is released and sulfur dioxide gas is actually formed in the reaction mixture. So sulfur dioxide, after its formation, it will essentially get out from the system, and this Cl minus which released will be essentially on the same side from which this SO2Cl group actually leaved from this chlorosulfate molecule. That is remain in this position. It will not have any chance to go over this side and attack from this face of this planar carbocationic intermediate. So it has no choice, but it has to react from this face of this carbocation intermediate, and due to this reason the retention is observed during the reaction. In the same way, this type of molecules also undergo SNI reaction where carbon dioxide leaves from the system, and the retention is also observed in this case.
So in the mechanism of this SNI reaction, the alcohol first react with the thionyl chloride, forming an intermediate alkyl chlorosulfide, which can be isolated in a mild condition. Then the alkyl chlorosulfide loses SO2 molecule, and from the intimate ion pair, which is short lived, and immediately form the products. So